Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to log in or sign in to ChatGPT account. So go ahead and open your Google Chrome and then right here at the search box type on openai.com/blog/ChatGPT and tap or click on enter. Now the page looks like this. So as you can see right over here, and tap or click on try ChatGPT. Now right over here you have two options to log in or sign up your account. When you click on this sign up, you can actually create a new account or put the new email right over here. But for this video, let me show you how to log in. Wait for a few seconds. Now right over here, you can put your email address here to log in back. And once you've done, you can now see this ChatGPT homepage. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.